Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I just wanted to tell you I've got an update on my real life of an online reseller, building my own website and selling from my own selling platform. So here's the update. So as many of you already know, I have built my own website, hookedonpickin.com, and when I initially put it out, as my last video states, that I had about 10 views, and about 5 or 6 of those was me and my husband just trying to figure out can we even find it online, and then 4 or 5 people found it just by happenstance. But this was kind of before I really wanted it to be live. I didn't have a lot of products on there, things like that. And so from that point on, I want to give you kind of an update on how it's been going. So as many of you know, on Saturday at noon, I put out a video basically telling you all I have a hookedonpickin.com website with lots of products on it. At that point, I only had 18 products. I've got quite a few more now, and I'm continuing to build my product line on there, but it also has links to some of my other selling platforms. So the one thing I wanted to give you an update on is Saturday at noon is when my YouTube video went out, and all of you guys got to see it. And so before that, remember I said I had about 10 views. Well, I went from noon to the end of Saturday with 130 views on my hookedonpickin.com website, and I was super excited, and that was all you guys. I'm really encouraged, and 130 views might not seem like a lot to you guys, but it really was encouraging to me. And the biggest thing that I'm super excited about was I got my first sale off of my Shopify hookedonpickin.com website. And so this is the thing that I'm most excited about. This was an item that I probably would have had to have priced much higher had I sold it on the eBay or Amazon or different platforms, simply because of the fee structure. But because I sold it direct to you guys off of my hookedonpickin.com website, I actually got a lot less fees, and I was able to make a lot more money. So normally when I sell an item, I typically take about 20 to 30% off with fees. And so it's just part of the online reselling world. But I actually only had to pay about 2% in fees. Yes, I pay a subscription every month, but that's based on all the products I have. But this particular product, 2% is all I had to pay in fees, and the rest of it I got to keep. And so I was really, really super excited. I did have to pay for shipping, but the customer already paid for shipping. And so I pretty much broke even on the shipping aspect. But as far as what they actually paid for the product, I got to keep 2% of it. And so, or not 2%, I only had to pay in fees 2%. I got to keep everything else, and I'm super excited about that. It was a wonderful sale for me. This was an item I probably would have never sold on the other platforms because there just was not enough room to mark it up high enough for me to even be able to sell it. So it's opened the window for me to be able to sell a lot more things. So I had about 130 views on day one. That was Saturday. That was just from noon on when my video went live, my YouTube video. Then on hookedonpickin.com, Sunday, I got about 50 views, which I was still very encouraged about. And so I saw, and the cool thing about the website is I can see how you guys found me, whether you Google searched me, whether you came off the YouTube site, whether you found me on some other avenue. But Monday was really exciting. I got 60 more views on Monday, and that basically was because I built a hookedonpickin.com Facebook page. So I love my interaction with you guys as my viewers. I've got over 17,000 viewers, and I love my interaction with you guys. At this point, I have over 17,000. It continues to climb, and but I want to interact with you guys more, and I want to be able to keep in contact with some of the things I got going on with my reseller business. And so if you want to check out my hookedonpickin.com Facebook page, that would be awesome. But I was able to drive 60 more people to my website via just my Facebook page. And so I was really excited about that. And the thing that's really, really good is that I got my second sale. And it was one of my reseller programs, and I was really excited about that. And I got to, instead of paying 20 to 25% on fees, which is normally what I pay when I would sell it on eBay, I got to only have to pay 2%. And so I got to pocket a lot more of that money. I've even already been paid my first payment for that first product that sold. And so I was really excited. Once, I think the payments go out as soon as the tracking number gets delivered to the person who bought it. And so I've already actually received my first payment for that first item that's sold. So I'm really excited. I've got a few more items on my website that are really fun. This one I thought was awesome. It's a totally blinged out USA American flag ball cap. It's got like a leather strap, adjustable strap in the back. So that one's, it's kind of got the distressed look on the front. And then I did actually get these online, the little pom-poms. If you saw my last video, you knew I was going to put that on. And it's got a snap-on, snap-off pom-pom, so you can put propellers on there and different things. You can buy various different snap-on, snap-off options. And then I also have this one on there, plus a few more other things. So, but I just wanted to show you some of my favorites that I put on there. But those are all for sale on my hookedonpickin.com website. And I just wanted to let you know my journey, that I've really been upticking in views, and I have made my first couple of sales. And it's only, you know, been since Saturday. Today is Tuesday. And so you can make money if you build your own website. That may not be in your future, but I just wanted to encourage you that if you do some online reselling, you know, check it out. I'd love to be able to help you guys. I've got some consultation options for you guys. If you contact me, I'd love to be able to chat with you as well. So check out my Hooked on Pickin Facebook page, and check out my hookedonpickin.com website for all the fun stuff I got going on. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.